Is your PC complaining that the POCO Foundation 64 DLL is missing from your system? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's fix that library mismatch today. For professional-grade POCO Foundation 64 maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the POCO Foundation 64, the POCO Foundation 64-bit library. It manages unmanaged C++ utility routines for threading, file system access, and error handling. It facilitates the cross-platform orchestration of application logic manifests for high-performance software. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. To stabilize the runtime environment, you'll need to reinstall POCO. Visit Microsoft's support page to download both the x86 and x64 editions of the Visual C++ redistributables and proceed with the installation. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the POCO Foundation 64 component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for POCO Foundation 64. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If you're reviewing error messages or system alerts, the diagnostic kit linked below provides general information for managing POCO Foundation 64. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and POCO Foundation 64 error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.